welcome to Sofa Sessions. This is episode 5 and my name is Gemma Barnes. I'm a vocal coach and singing teacher. I've been in the performing arts industry for over 10 years and in this series I share my tips, my advice and the knowledge that I've gained over that time with you all to hopefully help you achieve and really fly in your performing career. Now in this episode I want to help you achieve your goals. So we're going to look at my tips and my step-by-step process on how to achieve your 2021 goals. First tip is be specific. I want to be on the West End is too vague. I want to be Cosette in Les Mis on the West End. Now that is specific. Now I believe your goals should scare you a little bit. Being comfortable is a bit of a dangerous place to be because it means that we're staying in one place and we're not progressing. I mean, you don't have to be terrified of the goal that you're setting yourself, but I think being excited scared is a good place to be. The next step, now you've got your exact goal, is give it a time frame. When do you want to achieve that goal by? It gives yourself an end date, something to work to. It's the classic, I want to lose 10 pounds to fit in my wedding dress by the 1st of August. You've given yourself that end date, you can see the end is in sight. That is going to help you achieve your goal. Now, how would you feel if you achieved that goal? Close your eyes, think of that goal, picture yourself achieving it, see yourself in that role, see yourself on that stage. Imagine how different your life would be if you achieve that goal. Hopefully that makes you feel a bit excited. You should feel butterflies, maybe a little bit scared. That's a good thing because that means it's going to motivate you. That is going to keep you motivated to make sure that you achieve your goal. Now this is often overlooked, but believe me, it's the most simplest thing you could do. Write it down. Now there are studies that show you're more likely to achieve your goal if you have written it down. So get that pen and paper out or get the notes on your phone and write it down. Now, whilst you've got the notes on your phone open or your pen and paper to hand, why not map out a plan? Mapping out a plan means going in reverse order, so writing down your goal and then putting underneath the steps you need to take to achieve that goal, but in reverse order. So let's go back to our Cosette in Les Mis example. So your goal is to achieve playing the role of Cosette in Les Mis by June 2022. So let's work this out backwards. What do you need to do to achieve that goal? Well, to get into that show, to get that role, you need to go to an audition. You need to audition for Les Mis. Now, how do you audition for Les Mis? You can send your stuff off, but maybe it'll be helpful to have a vocal reel because if you've got a vocal reel, it's going to show that you can sing the songs. You are right for the role. That's something that's going to help. Or maybe taking class with the casting director so that when they receive your submission, they're going to go, oh yeah, I've just done a class with them recently. They'll definitely be able to sing that. Let's call them in. Or having a really good agent, having an agent you've got a good relationship with, an agent that's got good connections. All of those things are going to help you get in the audition room to get the job. Now what comes before that? So maybe you need to prepare for your vocal reel, get together with a good singing teacher, make sure you've got the right songs, that you're showing the very best of yourself and that technically you're going to be on form singing wise. With the agent, you maybe need to get an agent. So reach out or sign up for an agent showcase. Send your material out. I will say it's going to be helpful if you've already got some connections. If you say you take class or if you've got a vocal reel or a show reel, then the agent can see you at work. Make sure that you're clear with them about your goals and things as well, because that's going to make you more appealing. To show that you're really driven and that you're going to work as hard for yourself as they are for you. You're a partnership at the end of the day. If it's taking class, well, that's really easy. You can just sign up to classes, making sure that you're getting seen by casting directors. You're also getting audition practice because although it's not exactly the same as an audition, it is similar to an audition. You're getting up and you're having to sing. So maybe it's conquering nerves. Maybe that's something you need to do. So all of those steps you can take They're all realistic steps you can take. That's going to start you on the ladder. Now, if you need any help, then get somebody on board, or partner up with someone, or reach out to me. You can reach out to me anytime, and we can help map out the steps on that ladder to get you on stage in Les Mis, or whatever show, or whatever goal, or whatever dream it is you have. Yeah? You can achieve it. Believe it, you can achieve it. Write those goals down and map out your process, because you're more likely to achieve if you do that. So there you have it. You've got your goal written down with a specific time frame and a mapped out plan. If you enjoyed this video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Now, what are you still watching this for? Go and make it happen. Remember, be brave and do what you love. There really will be no limits to what you can achieve. Now go and smash it.